Partnerships are enabling women to secure their livelihoods in many ways. One of them is bamboo cultivation, nature's agent of change, growing to give back opportunities, income, agency.
I'm Sachi,
And I'm Neju.
and we're here to talk about India's strides of progress powered through partnerships. So, Niju, we've been working with you at Industry for the past almost 2 years now.
Right.
And our goal is to support 1 million women in the bamboo value chain and help increase their incomes and empowerment. So, we've been working in 5 states now, is that right?
Right. We work in 5 states of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Tripura, and Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay.
With the 5 state rural livelihoods.
That's the platform, right? Like the State Rural Livelihoods Mission really are the anchors of this partnership. I'm excited. Should we dive into a partner's memory box?
Absolutely. See, this is from Mayurbhanj district in Odisha. We have a very young team of women and men on the ground. The discussion with the community is happening about the existing bamboo that they have near them.
Right.
This is a bamboo which they make actually products, handicrafts product. They're talking about bamboo which is available with them. So we are trying to plant commercially viable species of bamboo which they can access, which is very near to them, and which the products that they make actually can go to global, national and local markets.
So important, right? Ensuring that you are connected and you're responding to what the market requires is a really critical aspect to ensure sustainable livelihoods.
You see the women who they are artisans making products from bamboo, right? And this is Siddhi, our Odisha in charge. She herself is a very young woman. She's a master's in a forestry, does amazing work like all our people in the field. This discussion with the community was about they are already doing what we traditionally call crafts, which we call creative manufacture, right? And the discussion among with the women is that how do you actually upskill? So one of the every time what we understand is that when plantations happen of bamboo, either they are deep in the forest, which communities cannot access, or they are very far away that you have to bring it through a lot of transportation.
Right.
So how do women have a material or raw material which they can create production where they can produce and supply even globally near yourself?
And where the Gates Foundation sits, we have these deep partnerships with the government, with the National Rural Livelihoods Mission, with State Rural Livelihoods Mission. What can we do together? What are the partnerships we require so that we can actually scale this model and get to supporting 1 million women with increased incomes in this sustainable fashion?
The partnership with Gates Foundation has been actually tremendous for us, right? Because we were literally figuring out how do we actually scale, build a program of
Exactly.
this scale, right?
Exactly.
And 1 million women, what department, who has that institutional structure working on the ground at the grassroots, right? The other big question was how do you get public investments into working with smallholder farmers fields, especially women farmers fields?
It just gives us so much joy, and it's such a privilege to be able to work with such committed, hardworking people who are really there to make a difference. So, Niju, tell me about this. This is women working on a number of products over here, but how do you decide what are the types of products to focus on?
Right. See, so initially when we wanted to do it, of course, with the support of Gates Foundation, we did a large global market research.
Okay.
And the picture that you see is women working on global decor. See, global decor is a $1.5 trillion annual market. You see, this it just goes to show that bamboo can, bamboo is such a great material that can go into multiple shapes, products, you name it, right? Because the material itself has certain quality, which is light, it is strong, and it also, you don't have to have a guilt after using it. You can keep it, or after some time you can also move it. It is fully biodegradable.
And I think that's one of the other piece, right, that you've been working on, where you're trying to ensure that women go from being just at primary production level to moving to higher orders of processing and marketing.
Absolutely.
And I saw some of these other things. You see these bamboo hangers in hotels at all times. They're available for us to buy for our own homes. This is really great. I mean, it's really like sustainable again and hardy, and good to note that some of the enterprises and the women that we are working with are able to get into this.
We have clear estimates. Annually, 1 million women will generate 5 to 7 million tons of bamboo annually. We are estimating that 4 to 5,000 crores can be the annual incomes for just women harvesting bamboo and selling.
Looking back, it's clear that progress is only possible when multiple actors come together towards a single vision.
I fully agree. I think meaningful partnerships multiply and amplify impact.
Thank you so much, Nijo. This has been such a pleasure looking back on our journey and then also making sure that we continue partnering together towards a single vision of women's economic empowerment. Thank you.
Thank you so much.